Hey guys, Crashes are fun drawing reviews, and today I did some amazing that you will be shocked out of your entire YouTube career. I made my first custom car for NASCAR, and I'm going to show you it now and what I think about it. I'm gonna show you now. Yes, 2018 Mark Thompson's Ford Daytona 500 car. Well, I just look at this. I added the dark red on the front. Or didn't. I mean, I wish it could have been a lot brighter, but still. I, and the Ford logo, just like in real life. 66. The company Phoenix Air. I couldn't fit this. I didn't have enough room to put the circle, or enough room to fit the circle in there. But still, for this first time for my custom, right? If you like, if you like to see more of these custom die castings, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe and a comment down below. This is Crashes and Fun Drawn Reviews, signing out.